How to make Tim Hortons coffee when traveling. Hello everyone, this is Amit Dunn. When you're traveling, we always crave for Tim Hortons coffee, and coffee outside Canada is not the same. We are used to having coffee in Canada. So what we do, we carry a Tim Hortons coffee, which you are seeing, and then we have a portable coffee maker, which is this just tiny guy, and this is foldable, so you can actually fold it. And we brought some filters from our home, and we are right now in Penang, Malaysia, and you can see that this room is a little bit messy, but we are here in Penang and we just wanted to have coffee like home, so we are preparing Tim Hortons coffee. So it's very simple to make. Usually you get coffee pot at every hotel. So we just put the coffee maker on top of the cup and put the coffee filter, and then put Tim Hortons coffee, and then we have here sugar and cream, and we can make coffee within 5 minutes. So instead of going out for coffee, and usually the outside coffee is not that great in Asia, because it's not it doesn't taste the same way the taste we're used to in Canada. So for now we're having Tim Hortons coffee in Penang, Malaysia, and this is, you can also have Tim Hortons coffee when you're traveling. It's very lightweight, so easy to carry, doesn't weigh you down, and also you can have a piece of home when you're far from home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.